I've been out to Indianola Beach many times, and today we're at what is left of the Indianola Courthouse from when there was a town out here. Just a bit of Texie dust. Indianola County Courthouse, Edward Beaumont, architect, 1859. During the storms of 1875 and 1886, precious lives were saved within its walls of shell, concrete, and lime, abandoned in 1886. It is a beautifully bright day, and I don't know if you can kind of tell the darker areas out there is where the line of the courthouse was. I don't know if you can see it on film or not. It's hard to believe, but there was an entire town here, and it flooded twice before they gave up on it. And there's still a beautiful, fishing town here so there is still plenty of activity out here. You can hear it in the background. Lots of people come out to Magnolia Beach that's just right down the road. Indianola Fishing Pier. There's a huge fishing community here now. But it also still floods regularly. This place has flooded several times in the 12 years that I've lived here. So it is still very, very, very prone to flooding. But it was, at the time, in the 1800s, Indianola was one of the biggest ports in Texas. Only bigger port was Galveston. And 80% of German immigrants who came into the country in the late 1800s came through the port of Indianola. So you may find your German heritage came through this very spot here in Texas. It's kind of interesting, I think. And it's very, very beautiful along the coast. Even with all the dumbasses in Texas that have to have big old diesel trucks and vroom them because I'm making a video. Every time, guys. It's like a thing in Texas. Especially if they see you with your camera out, they're going to have to vroom vroom it. Because, they're big men. Big Texas men. So, it's just beautiful out here, and you really, really, truly can feel the history in this place. That's part of what I love about it. It's just full of history.
Hey! Come back, wherever you are!